Hello ladies and gentlemen, content. Content makes us content. Sometimes it pisses us off. Last year I didn't make as much content as I'd like to. I have this bad habit of losing SD cards and footage. How do we make more with less effort and less output? That's the question I've been trying to answer for you. And it's different for everybody. I'm really keen to make more content, so let's do it. So content. You might be thinking that looks really uncomfortable the way that he's sitting, but it's actually not. I've been out skating a lot recently, especially this summer, and my ankles are killing me. My whole body's killing me. I'm only 31 and I'm feeling way too old for anything athletic. I totally see why people retire at 30 because the body's just not the same as it was when I was 21. I know I'm not that old, but yeah, my ankles are killing me, so this is stretching the shit out of my ankles. It's really nice, actually. It really feels good, and I think the skate home is going to be great. I've been thinking a lot about how do I make more content? And I thought, make some content on how you make more content. I've noticed a bit of a shift in the landscape that is YouTube. This video is more about making content on YouTube because that's the main thing I struggle most with. Obviously we got shorts, so everyone's got short form video. Hell, I doom scroll sometimes. I doom scroll a little bit more than I care to admit to. And that kind of content is different on every platform. On YouTube, a certain content works. I go to different places. My Instagram has more art stuff on the reels and the content there. My YouTube's a bit more artsy, but sometimes a bit more skateboarding content, a bit more hobby type stuff, camera content, filmmaking content. And then I go to TikTok, and TikTok's always giving me humor too. Comedy, there's a lot of comedy content on there that I watch. I'm not really gonna get into the whole TikTok ban thing. I'm Australian, it doesn't really apply to me, and by the time you're seeing this video, I'm fairly sure you'll find that stuff has come and gone. Everyone's still on TikTok. They tried to ban teenagers here in Australia from social media, and that lasted all of 2 weeks. So the fight against social media is not being won. It is more for the content creators. Content is something that I have spent my whole life trying to figure out. I've been on YouTube since I was 15, on and off. I used to make music, that's where I started on YouTube, and then I moved more towards the art stuff, and over the years I uploaded time lapses, but only just a couple of years ago did I decide to really seriously take YouTube seriously as a business platform. So now I've been doing YouTube full-time for 2 to 3 years, and it's a love-hate relationship. It's bittersweet. Like I said in my last talkie video like this, it's hard for artists because I do find these kinds of videos get a little bit more push. I've stopped trying to fight the algorithm and started trying to work with it. But my own work, which is very deterring, my process videos, my more short film, long form videos, they take me weeks, months, years sometimes, and I just get a lower viewership. So lately I've noticed there is more of a push and move back towards vlogging, vlog style videos on YouTube. This is really exciting for me. I don't think I'm the only content creator that thinks this. We've come to a point where we've gone full circle. Like the Mr. Beast, I'm going to, that kind of Mr. Beasty giveaway, epic reality TV show type content. I think people are starting to get bored of it. It's starting to wear on people because it is repetitive. There is a lot of new and young content creators out there who I can't watch because it's overstimulating. I struggle to watch it because it's too much. If I'm trying to relax, I don't want to watch someone yelling at me about how to make a beat. I don't want someone yelling at me about how to do a trick on a skateboard. I just want you to tell me how to do it and make it entertaining. I find vlogging so much more interesting. Now, why am I bringing this up? As much as I love this standalone camera, tripod, in the beautiful nature around me in the neighborhood here, it's time to start vlogging a bit more. I spent the year last year stuck at home, inside, working on things isolated. I want to get out more. I want to leave the house more. That's why I started skateboarding again. Never really stopped skateboarding. I kind of just started using it as a meditation more than anything. Physical outlet, helps my emotions. I think I want to start vlogging. I've done a few vlogs here and there. When I first started up, we were doing vlog style videos. I'm really excited to see that YouTube's moving back to this type of content because there's so many opportunities for long form videos. And just to bring you guys, I just want to start filming everything again. Peter McKinnon is one of the best. He started vlogging and he's going back. So if he's going back, to vlogging, it's about time we do. Like, I'm not following it because it's a trend, I'm following it because I can see the future. If you can see the signs early enough, follow them. If you're a content creator right now and you're just starting, I've had a few friends who have just started, and I really, really love that they've just started. That's really wicked. It's really good to see people moving from Instagram and TikTok and the short form content to long form content. And I want you guys to get to know me a little bit better and to what it's like being an artist, a mural artist, a painter, illustrator, business owner, skater, photographer, videographer, you name it. It's, you know, slash. I'm just Jordan. I'm just Jordan T Mystic, you know. Enough about me though. I want to get back to that vlogging because I want to show you guys what's next. But at the same time, I wanted to make this video not just to tell you what I'm going to do, and not just to tell you that I'm making more content. I wanted to make this video because I needed the first video of the year to be something important. Something that can help you. Like, we just need to hit record more. I know I'm giving advice on something that I don't necessarily do all the time, and that's why I'm doing it. A lot of these videos I actually make to remind myself too. If you're thinking about creating more content this year, if you are a content creator, if your audience is on another social media platform and you're not doing long form videos, try vlogging. You might not think your life is interesting, but I can guarantee you someone else out there does. If you've already got an audience, then somebody else out there already does think that you are interesting and your life is interesting and what you do and what you make is interesting. So, I want to make a pact with you. Those of you out there who want to make more content this year, if you made it this far, I want you to write down in the comments, hippopotamus. I don't give a shit if you can't spell it. Just write down hippopotamus, give me a colon, maybe a hippopotamus emoji if there is one. Hippopotamus, give me a colon, and write down in one line what you would like to achieve with your content this year. Hell, just make it this month. And it could be hippopotamus, colon, start a YouTube account. Hippopotamus, colon, post the first 3 videos. Hippopotamus, colon, post a daily vlog. I would like to post at least once a fortnight. At least. That's my achievement. But I'm going to try to do at least 1 video a week. We're going to get more vloggy style stuff, and we'll get some process videos. But I have so much content sitting there that I just need to make video and just do it. So this is a new era, new phase. Oh, that whole ankle thing is actually really more painful than it looks. I know I've got to do that every day. I'm going to make it a point that every single day, thanks to Struthless, and I'll put that link in the description for his video. I'll put the link for Peter McKinnon's video, even though you probably don't need a Peter McKinnon link, but you know what I'm talking about. Struthless got a great video on a little sheet that he's put together on how to make more content weekly. So I'm going to try and make at least one of these videos a week. And for those of you who are scared, worried no one will care, have content waiting to be made, are procrastinating, and for those of you out there who are watching and that you need a little bit more tough love, this is about as tough as it gets on this channel, but stop procrastinating. Just make the damn video. Hit record. Just press that little red button and go. Say some shit. Say some shit you don't mean. Edit it out. Edit out whatever you need to. Use an AI to edit it all out. We're in the post-AI era now. This is why I'm wondering why it's so hard for me to make content. And the only point of resistance can be you, because there's free editing software. There's cheap cameras on Facebook. You got a camera on your iPhone, for God's sakes. Everyone's got a bloody iPhone these days. Everyone's got a phone. You got a camera on there. You got a microphone on there. Make the content. Make it with friends. Make it with family. Just make the content. All right, that's it from me today. Happy content creation, ladies and gentlemen. I have been your host, Jordan T. Actually, hold on. No one's not being. Okay, let's try that again. Jordan T. There it stuck. I've been your host, Jordan T. That's cool. Missed it. Have a week, ladies and gentlemen. I love you very much. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay weird. Peace out. Oh, and by the way, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below what more you want to learn, what more you want to see from me this year, what vlogs, what style of video, whatever. What you want to learn. Alright, thanks guys. Peace out.